All right, today we're going to bring a charging station. This is a charging station for your vehicles. Now, this is a QPQ level 1 and also level 2 EV charging station. Now, we're going to take a look at it. A couple of things that you should be aware out of the box. It comes with an adapter, right? Because the prong is a little different from home use, all right? So it has an adapter so you could set up in here. You guys can see it. Now, the adapter is a NEMA 5-15. It's actually an adapter for a J1772, just to be aware. Now, you don't need to have a big amplification there. As long as you have a proper connection, a 3-prong connection at home, you'll be able to charge. Of course, output voltage is about 240 volts AC, and input voltage is about 110 volts. All right, so just be aware what you're going to do. Now, one thing that you could adjust on the actual system here, if you guys notice, there's an adjustable meter here. The meter's adjustable from 8 amps, 10 amps, 13 amps, up to 16 amps, and you could schedule time. So if you only want to charge at certain periods, you can do that. You can set up a schedule there through the actual system. Now, be aware that if you have a Tesla, you are going to need an adapter. This is only made for certain cars, all right? So the tip itself, it's cover secure for water resistance. We're going to put it together on a BMW CI3. So we're going to take a look at it and see how it works. Where they give you plenty, about over 15 feet of cable. So you have plenty of slack, plenty of cable. You guys can see that. It's really long. So we're going to plug it in right now so you can see the adapter, how it works. Connecting is simple. So you have a 3-prong connection at home. Just put the adapter on it. It's very simple. We're going to take a look at the meter and schedule something. All right. You might not see the LED light completely, but I'm going to try to see if I could explain to you guys. Right now, it's at 16 amps. We don't have anything transferring. Cooling, it's about 26 to 24 Celsius. Time, you could set up your timer in here. All you got to do is make sure you turn it on. And when you turn it on, you could change other things too. Here it is. So you could set up your current. You could set up your timer. And right now, timer, we're not going to set anything up right now. We're just going to show you guys what you can do. And all you got to do is hold the button down, all right? So when you hold it down, it goes to how many amps you want first, 8, 10, 13, or 16. You will have to check with your manufacturer. Just make sure you don't overcharge your car too. Once you set that up, it automatically times itself out and it goes to the main screen. By holding down the button, it'll take you to those screens. Those options are there. Auto default is 16 amps automatically, no timer on it, all right? So you can just plug and play. But if you want to set a timer for somebody that's visiting, you don't want them to use too much amps from your house, this is what you'd set up the timer for. So very simple, elegant little box, and also comes with mounts for the back, so you could mount this against the wall or in your garage.